top of that worksheet, it says, form a hypothesis based on the video. Answer the question, why does the government have taxes? So we're going to watch a 2-minute clip here about taxes. Be sure to take a couple notes so you can answer the hypothesis. Does anybody know, can you give me an example of a hypothesis? What is a hypothesis?
An educated guess.
Educated guess, yes. So, for example, we're going to beat Clark Central tomorrow because our offensive line is good, our defense is fast, and we are going to score more points. The example is a hypothesis right there. All right, so keep that in mind. Hypothesis can be 1 sentence, 2 sentences. Anything that you think about why our government issues taxes. All right. Pay attention to the video real quick.
Anybody making over $250,000 is going to pay more.
You got it. It's time to be patriotic, okay? Time to jump in. Time to be part of the deal. Time to help get America out of the rut.
Speaking personally, I think there are a lot of very rich people out there who need to tax it.
Did you use software to prepare your 2001 and 2002 tax return?
I use TurboTax to prepare my returns.
You're the chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee that writes all the tax law. How can you have problems paying your taxes?
Just because a report in the New York Times has a problem with me doesn't mean that the Congress and the country has a problem.
And I think what is principle of that is really good.
That's my only bullet. I knew it wasn't complete.
People earning over $250,000 will have a tax increase. And what can I say to them? What can you say to them? Thank you.
It's time to be patriotic. That's what you say to them.
So take a couple minutes here, 2 minutes, silently to write out a hypothesis. Want everybody to at least have something written down as to why you think the government issues taxes.
Says your president. Patriotic. This is what I think.
Might call on some people to share, so. Or whatever you prior knowledge, anything. An extra one, yes. This is mine. I'll get you one. Everybody got something written down? Trey, can you share what you have as hypothesis? Everybody pay attention to my man Trey.
The government issues taxes to pay debts in other countries, to other countries not provided for the general public.
All right. Carmen, can you share what you have?
Taxes provide things we need day to day, but sometimes the government does excessive spending, which makes them raise taxes.
Okay, great. So all these are both examples of hypothesis. They might be different from your hypothesis. They might be the same. That's all right. we're going to work on that. We're going to try to figure that out. So you can see we're in groups. Each group has an article in the group. You're going to get 10 minutes to read this article, 3 minutes to read it silently. So you're going to read it silently. First 3 minutes, we're going to have a timer on the board so you know exactly the time. You get 10 minutes, 3 minutes to read silently. Next 7 minutes to work in your groups and try to find the answers. So each module has 3 or so questions, and you're going to answer these questions, talk about it as a group, share information back and forth with each other. I would really like to minimize the copying answers word for word. Come up with something on your own and then share it with the group. 3 minutes should be plenty of time to read and figure out your thoughts on the article and answer the questions. So they're both titled. So, for example, parties for taxes, Republicans versus Democrats, is titled Republicans versus Democrats on there. It's module 3. The modules are a little out of order, but y'all are seniors. You can figure that out. So we're working to find evidence for a hypothesis, and we're going to start 10 minutes right now. Mr. Huggins. Here we go. 3 minutes. 3 minutes silent reading.
So you can answer those two. And me? So we're answering those questions, not these.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Mr. Pepper,
Sir.
so which one is the rating?
Should say 1981.
1981. Got me crossed out. I know, we typo, sorry. It was late last night.
Hey.
All right, 3 minutes is up. The groups that are finished reading, talk quietly in your groups. This back group article is a little longer, so it might take them a little longer to read. So just be aware of that. But work in your groups, share. talk about what you saw in the article, how that affects your hypothesis,